Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. Today in this video I am going to show you what is IAM and how to create IAM users and groups in AWS. So IAM is an AWS Identity and Access Management service that helps you securely control access to the AWS resources. So you can use IAM to control who is authenticated and authorized to use AWS resources. So to create IAM users, we have to go to the IAM Management Console. So click on here, and here we have to choose users. So to create users, we have to click on the add users. So first we have to give username here. So I am giving username as admin. So there are two types of access types. Here we can choose access key and the password. So I'm here taking password. So here console we have two kind of password authentications we can get, that is auto generated and customized. So I'm selecting the customized password. So give here password. So the password format will be like this. So uppercase, lowercase and numbers, and at least one special character is required. So click on the next permissions. I need to save this. Never. So here we are selecting copy permissions from the existing users or attaching existing policies directly. So here we are selecting attach existing policies directly. We have to click here. See, if you see here, we will get a number of permissions like admin, administrator, access, different permissions we will get. Based on our requirement, we can choose these kind of policies. Suppose I want to give S3 permissions to this user. If you click S3, here we will get Amazon S3 full access or object lambda execution and some kind of policies here reflecting policies, nothing but permissions. If you want to give only read-only access also, we can give that one. So here I'm giving full access. So here I'm selecting administrator access. If you give these permissions, the user will have whole access of the AWS resources. Just click on the next tags, and here we have to give tag name. And next, preview. So here see, once you can review whatever you given here. So username is admin and the AWS access type is taken like password, and custom password is selected, and these are the permissions we given here. Just click on the create users. So user is created successfully. So if you click on the download, we will get the credentials of that. Here we can get admin username, and already we know the password, and we can give the password here. So here we will get all the access details. Click on the close. We can access AWS resources with this user. So for that, we already downloaded one Excel, right? So there we have a link. With that link, we can simply and to the AWS. Just copy this link. So take a new tab here and paste it here. So if you check carefully, means this account ID, so which is the same account ID we given here. So this is the same account ID of this account. It's clearly telling it's a user of the main ID which I created. We have to enter here and IAM username. Already we given IAM username, right? So this is the username and we already know the password. So we have to give the credentials here. We can sign in. It's asking like this. Versions we can create the new password here. Here it is clearly telling that this is a user, like the username is admin and to the account of some so and so account. It's clearly showing like this. So this is how we will create IAM user. If you go back to the main user, this is our main user. So we can create groups here. So to create groups, we have to click on here, user groups, and create a group. And here we can mention like development group like that. We can be given the group name is dev group, and to the groups we have to add the users. So already we have a user. I'm adding this user to that group. Just click on it. And if you want to add additional permissions to that users also, you can add here. Otherwise you can leave it and click on the create group. The group is created successfully. If you click on the group, so here everything will reflect like how many users are there and what permissions they have. Everything it is reflected here. So this is how we will create the users and the groups in IAM. I hope you learned something from my video. Thanks for watching.